splits, and I've never taken this route here. It's called the Campo Trail, and we're gonna take it today. We're walking through a region of Spain called the Bierzo, and I believe it's a wine region. Check it out, B-I-E-R-Z-O, and look what's over there. Where are they taking them? Uneasy feeling that I missed my traditional sign that I take a picture in front of. Still making my way out of Ponferrada. These two nice people right here said, no, you have to turn here. So I almost missed my turn. River down here, and we just climbed this hill right here, and we got to the top of the hill and had to take off all my jackets and stuff. So we have another 10 kilometers. Let's go. It's looking less and less likely that I'm gonna find my 220 sign, but I'm not walking backwards God knows how long to find it. At least two places I know where the Camino actually goes through a building. Ow. sparse area when it comes to the pilgrims. I had one guide pass me in the last hour and a half. And there's a Georgian couple right behind me who just stopped to rest. They're gonna pass me, but it's nice. It's quiet and nice. And I'll take the peace. Tomcat. Should be at my town in about 2 kilometers. It's just an overcast, gloomy, and desolate day. Hardly any pilgrims out. I don't know where they are. I wanted to show you those mountains yonder. I'll be climbing those tomorrow. I just saw my albergue. It's just like, 100 meters right there. But I see this gigantic grocery store. This is all yogurt. Pilgrims are yogurt-eating freaks. Okay, we got a salad for dinner. We got some nectarines and some cheese. Mostly for the long hike tomorrow.